NBA signed 11-year media deals worth reported $76 billion. The NBA announced 11-year global media rights deal with the Walt Disney Company, NBC Universal and Amazon on Wednesday worth a reported $76 billion and running from the 2025 to 2026 though 2035 to 2036 season. In addition to explaining game coverage for US and global telecast audience as well as streaming viewers, the contracts figure to boost the value of every NBA team in addition to the salaries of basketball top superstar. Even though no financial deals were officially revealed, ESPN, the Wall Street Journal, and Forbes magazine have reported the $76 billion combined figure for the deals. Our new global media agreements with Disney, NBC, Universal, and Amazon will maximize the reach and accessibility of NBA games for fans in the United States and around the world. National Basketball Association Commissioner Adam Silver said, "These parents will distribute our content across a wide range of platforms and help transform the fan experience over the next decade." The move came after the league announced it has rejected a bid by Warner Bros. Discovery to renew its right by matching Amazon's deal, saying the terms of the offer to remain on US telecast turned sports were no sufficient. Warner Bros. Discovery most recent purpose did not match the terms of Amazon Prime Video's offer, and therefore we have entered into a long-term agreement with Amazon. The NBA said in a statement, "Our primary objective has been to maximize the reach and abilities of our games for our fans. Our new agreement with Amazon supports this global by complementing the broadcast, cable and streaming packages that are already part of new Disney and NBC Universal agreements. All their partners have also committed substantial resources to promote the league and enhance the fan experience. The league upcoming campaign will be its last for some time US coverage on long-time partner TNT. We are grateful to Turn Sports for its award-winning coverage of the NBA and look forward to another season of the NBA on TNT," the league statement said. "The new deal will give us coverage on Disney on what Span and ABC, NBC and Peacock, as well as send a set of game to Amazon Prime Video streaming service. ABC and ESPN will remain the television home for US fans of the NBA Finals, Christmas Day games plus Wednesday and weekends contests. NBC will have opening night plus Sunday and Tuesday game telecast with Peacocks getting Monday games and NBA All-Star coverage. Amazon Prime Video will have rights to the NBA Cup, the NBA Play-In Tournament to determine April final playoff qualifiers plus game on Thursday and Friday night, as well as be a global destination for NBA League Pass telecast. So please subscribe our channel.